On roads where fog is frequent, driver safety can be seriously compromised. That's why the fog warning system was developed, a fully autonomous solution that reacts in real time and warns drivers before they enter a road section where visibility is decreased. The system uses a visibility sensor that continuously monitors conditions on the ground. Within just a few seconds of detecting fog, the control unit analyzes the data and determines the recommended driving speed. This information is then sent to the cloud and automatically activates all key system components: LED traffic signs and LED flashers. The LED signs display speed limits based on visibility, ranging from 20 to 80 kilometers per hour, alternating with the message "Fog ahead," while the flashers help drivers stay oriented by clearly marking the direction and length of the critical road section. The system is energy independent, powered by solar panels, but it can also use public lighting if needed. Every system component communicates wirelessly via a 4G connection. In the event of a connection loss, a secure fallback mode is activated. The speed display turns off, and the flashers continue operating, blinking steadily once every 2 seconds. Connecting the system to the DMV control center enables remote monitoring and analysis of current field conditions, facilitating better traffic management decisions. The system allows remote monitoring and control of all components. Operators have real-time insight into the operation of sensors, signs, and flashers. They can check temperatures, voltages, and communication status of each device. The advantages of this system are full autonomy and energy independence, fast, simple, and low-cost installation, real-time response to changes in visibility, remote monitoring and system control, easy integration with existing monitoring systems, reliable, efficient, and fully automated. This system can save lives in situations of sudden fog, as it will inform drivers in time that they need to slow down and help them to pass safely through a section of road with reduced visibility.